अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलाम अला अशरफिल अंबियाई वल मुरसलीन सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम साहब।
Let's start. रब्bi इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। We were seeing plurals. What we will start with is I'll read the sentences that we have already learned. So I'll read them again. Try comprehending the sentences and then try understanding what they mean. I'll go slowly. I'll just say the sentences, try to guess or try to comprehend what they mean, and then we'll look through them in detail, inshallah. So I'll start. Let's put everyone on mute. Okay. Man haula'il fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu. Man haula'il fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu. Hum tullabun jududun. Hum tullabun jududun. Min aina hum. Min aina hum. Hum min Amrika. Hum min Amrika. Ahum zumala'uka. Ahum zumala'uka. Naam hum zumala'i. Naam hum zumala'i. Hum min fasli. Hum min fasli. Ahum mujtahidun. Ahum mujtahidun. Naam hum mujtahidun. These are some of the sentences. Now let's go through them. Nice. Now I just read few sentences. You can tell me the translation of these. This is a sentence which I read in Arabic. How do you say it?
al-fityatu at-tiwalu ya aliyu.
Again, Sadia.
Man haula'i al-fityatu at-tiwalu ya aliyu.
Very good. Man haula'atu tiwalu ya aliyu. Let's see someone else try this answer. Adnan or Afifa. तो में से कौन ये वाला क्वेश्चन आंसर करना चाहेगा? Who are these tall young men? ओ अली. ये यंग ऊंचे आदमी कौन है? अली. इसको अरबी में कैसे बोलते हैं? Let's see who can do it first, Adnan or Afifa. What is the answer, Adnan? मुनीब, अफीफा आंसर क्या है?
मन हाउलाई मन हाउलाइल फित्यतुल
तिवालु
या
aliyu. Okay, so you should revise the lesson, Adnan. This is something you've already learned. Again, give me the sentence again. Man haula'il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu.
मन हाउलाई फित्यतुत तिवालु या aliyu.
Very good. Now say without saying. Man haula'il
fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu.
Very good. Again.
Man haulai fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu.
Very good. So man haulai al fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu. ये आंसर क्या है अफीफा?
मन हाउलाइल फित्यतुत तिवालु या अली.
Very good. Man haula'il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. Ali responds, Ali जवाब देते हैं, दे आर न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, वो नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो नए तौलिब हैं. इसको कैसे बोलते हैं आफीफा? ये नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं. हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन. कैसे बोलते हैं आफीफा?
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
वेरी गुड. फिर से.
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
वेरी गुड.
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
Very good, Afifa. How do you say, Adnan? They are new students?
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
Very good. How do you say they are new students, Muniba?
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
Again?
हम तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन।
Hum tullabun jadudun. Very good. From where are they? Who can give me this answer? Who can translate this? From where are they? From where are they is min aina hum. Min aina hum. Min is from, where is aina, they is hum, and are is understood. Min aina hum, from where are they? Who can give the answer? Yeah. Who can give me the translation of this sentence? From where are they?
Min aina hum.
Very good. Min aina hum. Who else can give me the answer? Apart from Sadia.
min aina hum.
Min aina hum. Very good. What is the answer, Muniba and Afifa? वो कहाँ से
min
है?
aina hum.
Min aina hum. और आंसर क्या है अफीफा? तुम म्यूट पे हो. How do we say from where is he? ये कैसे बोलते हैं? वो लड़का कहाँ से है? इसको कैसे बोलते हैं? How do we say this, Sadia?
Min aina hiya.
Min aina hiya is from where is she?
Min aina huwa.
Min aina huwa. Very good. So min aina huwa is from where is he? How do we say from where is she?
Min aina hiya.
Min aina hiya. How do we say from where are you? Or where are you from? How do we say this?
Min aina.
Min aina. What do we say for you?
Anta.
Anta. How are you would be kaifa haluka anta. Kaifa haluka is good enough. From where are you? Kaifa haluka anta is W, double emphasis. Kaifa haluka anta. So who is he? Anta is you. Min aina anta or min aina anti is from where are you? So who can give this answer now without saying? Adnan or Muniba or Afifa? From where are they? वो लोग कहाँ से हैं? या कहाँ से हैं वो लोग? Who can give this answer? Same answer which you just gave. What is the answer, Adnan?
min aina hum.
Very good. What is the answer, Muniba?
min aina hum.
Min aina hum. From where are they? How do we say they are from America? Who can give me the answer now?
Hum min America. Hum min America.
Hum min America. Hum min America is they are from America. What's the answer, Adnan?
Hum min America.
Very good. How will you say they are from India?
Hum min India.
Hindi.
In Arabic is Al Hind. You say Hum minal Hindi. Hum minal Hindi. How do you say they are from America?
Hum min America.
No, America does not have Al. Only Al Hindi has Al. America is just Tamrika.
Hum min America.
Hum min America. Very good. Hum min America. They are from America. Are they your colleagues? Who can give me this answer?
hal hum zamulauka.
Hal
Zumula.
or ahum zumalauka.
Zamulauka.
Ahum zumalauka. Who else can give me this answer?
Ahum Zumalauka.
Very good. Ahum zumalauka. Are they your colleagues? What is the answer, Adnan?
Zumalauka.
Again?
Ahum Zumalauka.
Ahum zumalauka. Very good. How do you say are they your neighbors? Neighbors is duyuf. Duyufun is neighbors. Come again.
Ahum Zuyu.
Hum duyufu. Ahum duyufun is are they neighbors? But how do you say your neighbors? No, you're just saying are they neighbors? How do you put your? How do you say what is your name? How do you say what is your name?
Ma ismuka.
Ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. Okay. So how did you say your in ma ismuka? How did we say your, Satya? Where is your in ma ismuka?
Hum.
Come again?
Hum. Is it home?
No. What is your name has ma ismuka. There's no home here. How do you say your? Home is means something else. What is ma, Sadhya? Ma hada. هذا بيت. هذا
Where?
كتاب. Where is Aina?
What?
What is Ma? See, there is what is your name. Okay, so Ma has to be what, or it has to be is, or your, or name.
What?
What is Ma? Ma is what? Ma ismuka, ma hata, ma huwa. What's the meaning of ma huwa? Or with huwa you cannot use ma. You have to use man. Man is who. Ma is what. So with a person you'd use man to ask who is he. But with the thing you'll use ma. So ma is what? What is ism? If I say ismi Taqib, I say ismi Taqib.
My name is
My name. So what is ism?
name.
Name. What is ka?
Your name.
Your name. So what is ka? Ka is your. That is ka. Now what is whom? Are they your neighbors? Is ahum? Duyufun is are they neighbors? So what is whom?
Are
No, R is a. Whom is they, guys? Ahum Zumala uka. Whom is they? Are they is ahum. Whom is they? Ahum. Duyufun is are they neighbors? Now how do you put your? How did you say your name, Sadia?
ismuka.
So what would be your neighbors?
Zuyufuka.
Duyufuka. So Duyufuka is your neighbors. So your is ka. Ma ismuka, ma umruka, or ma umruki. Aina baituka, aina baituki would be where is your house. Baituka is your house. Baituki is also your house. Baituka is masculine. Baituki is feminine. Ahum duyufuka is are they your neighbors? Now who can tell me the answer without saying? Are they your colleagues?
Hal hum zumulauka.
Hal hum zumalauka is are they your colleagues? Who can tell me they are from America? Who can translate this? Adnan or Afifa or Muniba? How to translate
Hum
they?
and Amrika.
Hum min America. Hum min America. Very good.
Hum min Amrika.
Very good. Who can translate from where are they? How do you say from? From is min. Where is Aina?
Aina.
So how do you say from where are they? You know what is they?
Min aina hum.
Min aina hum. Okay, so there is a home, as we are saying. So min aina hum, from where are they? They are from America. Hum min America. Are they your colleagues? Hum zumalauka or hal hum zumalauka? Yes, they are my colleagues. They are from my class. How do we say this?
Naam hum zumulai.
Naam hum zumalai. They are from
Hum
how do you say they are from my class? How do you say they?
hum fi fasli.
Whom fi firstly is they are in my class. Not changed. I've made in to from. How do you say from? How did you say from where are they?
Min.
Min aina hum. So now how do you say they are from my class?
Hum min fasli.
Hum min fasli. Very good. Naam hum zumala'i hum min fasli. Naam hum zumala'i hum min fasli. What is the answer, Muniba? Yes, they are my colleagues.
Naam hum zumala'i.
Naam hum zumala'i is yes, they are my colleagues. They are from my class. How do you say
Hum
they
min
are?
fasli.
Hum min fasli. Very good. आंसर क्या है आफीफा? हाँ, वो मेरे साथी हैं, वो मेरे ही क्लास से हैं. तुम म्यूट पे हो आफीफा. What is the answer, Adnan?
Hum min fasli.
Hum min fasli is they are from my class. How do you say this? They are my colleagues.
Naam hum zumala'i.
Very good. Now try without saying.
Naam hum zumala'i.
Naam hum zumala'i. They are from my class. How do you say they are from my class, Adnan? Hum min fasli. Hum min fasli. My class is fasli. Faslun is a class. Fasli is my class. Okay, now let's try some exercises. Okay, so we'll come back here. In the meanwhile, we'll get started with some exercises. Okay, so what do you see in this picture?
Boy.
Boy. How do you say he went to school? How do you say he went?
Huwa.
He went is dahaba or huwa dahaba. Dahaba already has huwa. So if you say dahaba, it means huwa dahaba. So dahaba is he went. How do you say to school?
Ilal madrasati.
Ilal madrasati. Dahaba ilal madrasati is he went to school. How do you say, Adnan? He went to school. How do we say this, Muniba? He went to school. Muniba or Adnan or Afifa?
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Ilal madrasati. Madrasa. So it has ila, because of which it will become madrasati. The T comes because of ila. Again, Afif, again, Muniba, what's the answer?
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Very good. Again.
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Very good. Dhahaba ilal madrasati. What is the answer, Adnan?
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Dhahaba ilal Dhahaba ilal what?
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Dhahaba ilal madrasati. Answer क्या है अफीफा?
Zahaba ilal madrasati.
Dhahaba ilal madrasati. Very good. Now question to everyone. What do you see here? Okay, we seem to have Zahan also in the class. So what do you see here? What's different in this picture versus the previous picture?
There was only one boy. Here there are many.
So many
Very
boys.
Now, how will you say they went to school?
Hum
Whom? You'd say Dahabu ilal madrasati. Dahaba becomes Dahabu. You can say hum Dahabu, or just Dahabu means they went. Dahabu ilal madrasati. What does this mean in yellow? Dahabu ilal madrasati. It means they went to school. Who can translate now? They went to school without saying.
ذهبوا إلى المدرسة.
Very good, Satya. Dahabu ilal madrasati. Who else can give me the answer? What is the answer, Adnan? They went to school.
They went to school would be ذهب إلى المدرسة.
Dahaba ilal madrasati is he went to school. They went to school. Many of them went to school would be the Dahabu ilal madrasati.
ذهبوا إلى المدرسة.
Very good. Again, Adnan. They went to school.
ذهبوا إلى المدرسة.
Very good. How do you say he went to school?
ذهب إلى المدرسة.
Very good. They went to school.
ذهبوا إلى المدرسة.
Dahabu ilal. Again, Adnan.
ذهبوا إلى المدرسة.
Dahabu ilal madrasati. Very good. Now, what you need to do is like we did Dahaba ilal madrasati, then we did Dahabu ilal madrasati. We need to change sentences to plural. For example, what is the translation of At-talibu dahaba ilal mat'ami? At-talibu dahaba ilal mat'ami.
ذهب will become ذهبوا.
Right. So dahaba would become dahabu. And what's the meaning of this sentence with dahaba?
The students went to the what does mat'ami mean?
Mat'ami means yes,
The hotel or restaurant.
restaurant.
So the students went to the restaurant.
What is dahaba?
Went.
Who went?
Students.
No. Dahaba is he went. And here, dahaba does it come first or second? So there is talib and there is dahaba. So dahaba comes first or second?
Second.
Second. Dahaba means he went. Dahaba is singular.
ذهبوا.
Dahabu. So if you put dahabu, it means students. So what is the meaning of at-talibu dahaba ilal mat'ami? This sentence that we have here before making it plural. What is the meaning of this sentence?
The students went.
How would you say Adnan is a student?
Adnanu talibun.
Adnanu talibun. Okay. How do you say Adnan is the student? Adnan is the student who answered the question correctly.
Adnanu at-talibun.
At-talibun would be wrong.
Tullabun, Sahib.
Both the
Tullabun.
answers are wrong in one way. At-talibun is also wrong. At-tullabun is also wrong.
Tullabu.
At-tullabu is also wrong. So what's the correct answer? Adnanu at-talibun. When you take talibun and you add al, you have to take out the double dhamma. So talibun by itself is okay. It means a student. Now when you say the student, it becomes at-talibu. It does not become at-talibun. At-talibun would be wrong. So at-talibu is correct. At-tullabun means students. Adnan cannot be many students. Adnan is only one student. So it has to be Adnanu at-talibu alladhi ajaba su'alan correctly. Okay. So Sahih. Adnanu at-talibu alladhi ajaba as-su'ala Sahih would be the answer. So how do you say the student? Talibun is a student. How do you say the student?
At-tullabu.
No, at-tullabu is the students, plural.
At-talibu.
At-talibu. At-talibu is the student. At-talibu is the student. At-tullabu is the students. Now, here is at-talibu. And dhahaba comes second. So it means he went. Okay. So at-talibu is singular. Because it comes with dhahaba and at-talibu is the student. So what's the translation of this sentence, Sadia?
The students.
The students is at-tullabu. This is not at-tullabu. This is at-talibu.
The student went to eat in the restaurant.
Very good. So the student went to the restaurant. There's no eat as a verb here. So they just went. So the student went to the restaurant. So that is at-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. Now let us see who can give the full correct answer. And I see Zahan also in the class, but I'm not sure if he is listening or if he is distracted. We will see. If Zahan can give this easy answer correctly, or if anyone can give this easy answer correctly, you've understood the concept, and Zahan will prove that he is paying attention in the class. So, at-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. The student went to the restaurant. Okay. Now, how do you say the students went to the restaurant? How do you say the students went?
At-tullabu zahabu ilal mat'ami.
Very good.
At-tullabu.
Becomes at-tullabu. Zahan lost his chance. So Zahan did not get the points. So at-tullabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. At-tullabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. What's the translation of this sentence? Muniba or Afifa or Adnan. At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. This is talib. This is one. What does this sentence mean? At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. What does this mean, Adnan? Muniba, what does this sentence mean? At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. Zahan, what's the translation of this sentence?
Yes, sir. Keep Chacha.
I asked you a question, Zahan.
The students went to the restaurant.
No. You're making one mistake. What is at-talibu and what is dhahaba? At-talibu is only one student, guys. Is the student. Dhahaba is he went. So what's the correct translation, Zahan?
The student went to the restaurant.
The student went to the restaurant. Now, Zahan, you're not paying attention in the class. What's the correct translation?
The student went to the restaurant.
Very good. Now, what's the plural of this? How do you say the students went to the restaurant? Satya has already given the answer. We've already written the answer. Let's see if you pick it.
الطلاب ذهب إلى المطعم.
Wrong. At-tulabu dhahaba is wrong. It has to be at-tulabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. Dhahabu. Dhahaba is he went. They went is dhahabu. And the word comes second, so it has to become dhahabu. At-tulabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. So Zahan, you proved that you're not paying attention in the class. You're doing something else. What's the answer, Zahan?
الطلاب ذهبوا إلى المطعم.
At-tulabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. Correct. What is the answer, Adnan? How do you say the students went to the restaurant? आंसर क्या है अफीफा? स्टूडेंट्स गए थे रेस्टोरेंट को, कैंटीन को.
الطلاب ذهبوا إلى المطعم.
Mat'ami. Very good. Very good, Adnan. आंसर क्या है अफीफा? And what's the answer, Muniba? Quickly, guys. आंसर क्या है अफीफा? तुम म्यूट पे हो. Muniba, you also are on mute. Okay, I seem to have lost Afifa. If you can unmute and tell the answer, Muniba, we can correct yours. Otherwise, we move to the next question. Okay. Next question. Let us see who can give this answer correctly. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. Here's a picture. Let us see who can guess the translation of this sentence. It is singular. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. What's jalasa? Jalasa is the word.
Sat. He sat.
He sat. So what is at-talibu jalasa fil fasli?
The boy is sitting in.
What is jalasa, Zahan?
Sat. The boy sat in.
Fil fasli. What is fil fasli?
Fil Fasli is class. They are from my class.
What is fasli? Fil fasli is from the class. In the class. Okay, so fi is in. Al fasli is the class. So what is at-talibu jalasa fil fasli?
The boy sat in the class.
The boy sat in the class. Now, let us see who's first. Who can give the plural of this? Who can say the boy sat in the class?
The student should come, no, Sahib.
The students, correct. So, at-talib is the student sat in the class. How do you say the students sat in the class?
الطلاب جلسوا في فصل.
You're making one mistake. Repeat the answer again, Zahan.
الطلاب جلسوا في الفصل.
Very good. At-tulabu jalasu fil fasli. Because of fi, it will be al-fasli. It will not be al-fasla. Al-fasla would be wrong because after fi, it has to be al-fasli. Again, Zahan, what's the answer?
الطلاب جلسوا في الفصل.
Very good. What's the answer, Sadia? Are you with us, Sadia?
Yes, I heard.
So what's the plural of this sentence? At-talibu jalasa fil fasli.
الطلاب جلسوا في الفصل.
Very good. At-tullabu jalasu fil fasli. What is the answer, Adnan? At-talibu jalasa fil fasli is singular. The boy sat in the class. How do you say, or the students sat in the class? How do you say the students sat in the class? Quickly, Adnan. The answer is written here. Quickly, you need to do it quick so that we can move to the next question. Yes, try the answer, Adnan. Yep. At-tullabu
الطلاب
jalasu fil fasli.
جلسوا في الفصل.
What does this mean? At-tullabu jalasu fil fasli. Does it mean the student sat or the students sat? Is it one student or many students? At-tullabu jalasu fil fasli. This one.
Many students.
Many students. Because talib is one student. Tullab is many students. So at-tullabu jalasu fil fasli is many students sat in the class. Good. Now, next question is Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. What does this sentence mean?
The teacher went out of the class or left the class.
Left out of the school. So madrasa is school. The pictures of a class, but min al-madrasati is from the school. The teacher left the school. Now, how do you make this plural? The teachers left from the school. Make it just the teachers left. How do you say the teachers left? Let's see who's first to get it correct. You can try. I'll help you out with hints.
المدرسون
Al-mudarrisuna.
المدرسون خرجوا
Al-mudarrisuna kharaju
من المدرسة.
min al-madrasati. Very good. So mudarrisuna kharaju. Zahaba becomes dhahabu. Jalasa becomes jalasu. So kharaja becomes kharaju. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-fasli. What is the answer, Adnan? Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati is the teacher left the school, or the teacher left from the school. How do you say the teachers left? That's the answer here in green. Let's see if you can read it. Al-mudarrisuna
المدرسون خرجوا من المدرسة.
madrasati.
مدرسة.
Very good. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. Again, Adnan.
المدرسون خرجوا من من المدرسة
Madrasati.
مدرسة
Very good. Again.
المدرسون
Mudarrisuna.
المدرسون خرجوا من المدرسة
Very good. Now again, without saying, this is one teacher left the school. Okay, so that's what is here. Now you need to make it plural, which is the answer you just gave. So what's the answer you just gave? The teachers left from the school.
المدرسون خرجوا من المدرسة.
Good, but kharaja is wrong. So al mudarrisuna. How do you say they left? Kharaju.
خرجوا من المدرسة.
Madrasati.
مدرسة.
Okay, so al mudarrisu kharaja. One teacher left. But when you say al mudarrisuna, it has to become kharaju. Al mudarrisuna kharaju. Very good. Now, who can guess this answer? At-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi. At-tajiru.
Tajiru merchant.
Yes, the merchant. Dhahaba ila suqi.
Went to the market.
Went to the market. So dhahaba is he went. At-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi. The merchant went to the market. Now, how do you say the merchants went to the market? How do you make this plural? How do you say the merchants went? Sadia or Zahan? Let us say, if you can try, and Zahan, let us see if he is awake and if he is paying attention. Sadia or Zahan, let's see who gets this.
التاجرون ذهبوا إلى السوق.
At-tajiruna is wrong. Like Talib, you do not say Talibuna, you say At-tullabu. At-tajiru is also not Tajiruna, it's something else.
Tujjaru.
At-tujjaru. So Tajiru becomes
كانوا ذهبوا إلى السوق.
very good. So At-tujjaru.
التجار ذهبوا إلى السوق. Sakit,
Very
I
late.
wasn't able to unmute. That is the problem.
Okay, I'll give you one more question. How do you say the merchants sat in the market? How do you say the merchants sat down in the market? And let me open this question to everyone. The merchants sat in the market on chairs. Okay, so they didn't sit on the floor, they sat on chairs. So who can translate this full sentence? The merchant sat in the market on chairs.
At-tujjaru jalasu
التجار جلسوا في السوق.
On
alal
chairs.
ala
Allah. Allah.
chairs. I don't know.
Karasiyin. So kursi is one chair. Karasiyu is chairs. So at-tujaru jalasu fi suqi ala.
على كرسي.
No, kursi is one chair. So chairs would be karasi.
كراسي.
Okay, very good. So now again, at-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi is the merchant went to the souk, to the market. How do you say the merchants went to the market? Adnan? What happens to at-tajiru dhahaba? At-tajiru dhahaba is one merchant went. How do you say many merchants went? At-tujaru
ذهبوا
ila suqi. Very good. At-tujaru dhahabu ila suqi. Okay, now again this question is for everyone. I'll give you questions. You need to translate the questions and I'll tell you how to answer them. Okay, so this is where you have to use your brain. You have to use what we've learned in the past. You have to use vocabulary and grammar. Okay. So first question is man haula il auladu ahum abnauka. Man haula il auladu ahum abnauka. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of these two?
Who are
questions?
these children?
Very good. Who are these children? Ahum abnauka. What is ahum? Ahum zumalahu.
Are they?
Ahum is are they? Are they? Abnauka.
Your sons.
Your sons.
Sons. So how do you say son? One son.
Ibnu.
Ibnun. So Ibnun is one son. Abna'u is sons. So Ibnun is one son, and Abna'un is sons. So what is Ahum Abna'uka?
Are they your sons?
Are they your sons? Very good. So who are these children? Are they your sons? How do you say no? They are my brother's children.
La hum.
Lahum. You have to make this children of my brother, because in Arabic you always have to say something of something. So you have to say no, they are children of my brother. You have to put children first and my brother next. So how do you say children? Or sons? No, they are my brother's sons. How do you say sons?
Ikhwati.
Ikhwatun. So Ikhwati is my brother. No, my
Ikhwati.
brothers. So
Saqib,
Ikhwati is
I
my
think
brothers.
son means Ibnu.
Good. So Ibnu is one son. Okay. So Ikhwati is my brothers. But how do you say, now connect the dots, guys. How do you say children of my brother or sons of my brother?
La Ibnun Ikhwati.
No is la. They are whom. How do you just say sons of my brother? This is the part which is left. La is done. How do you say sons of my brother? How do you say sons?
Ibnau.
Abna'u.
Akhi. Abnau akhi.
Abna'u akhi. Very good. So Abna'u akhi. So Abna'u is sons. Akhi stays akhi because there's ya, so it does not change. So the moment you put ya, it has to be kasra before it. So Abna'u akhi is sons of my brother. So sons is Abna'u. Akhun is brother. Akhi is my brother. The ya stands for me. Like Ismi, Saqib, Ismi, Adnan, Ismi, Sadia. Akhi is my brother. Ismi is my name. Ismi is my name. Akhi is my brother. So who can give me full answer now? Man haula il auladu ahum abna'i. You have to say no, they are my brother's children.
لا هم أبناء أخي.
Very good. لا هم أبناء أخي. أهم من هؤلاء الأولاد أهم أبناؤك? Are they your children? لا هم أبناء أخي. They are my brother's children. Okay, last question before we close. من هؤلاء الناس? What does this mean? من
Who are
هؤلاء
these?
الناس.
Who are these
أعوذ
people?
برب الناس.
Who are
قال
these people?
موسى للناس.
Who are these people?
Who are these people? Very good. Man haula in nasu. Who are these people? They are pilgrims from Turkey. Pilgrims is Hujjaj. So Hajjun is one pilgrim. Hujjaj is many pilgrims. So Hujjaj means pilgrims. So Hujjajun means pilgrims. So now, how do you say they are pilgrims from Turkey? How do you say they?
Whom?
Whom? How do you say pilgrims? I just told you what is pilgrims. How do you say they are new students? We saw in our translation, how do you say new students? You say whom? How do you say students?
Tullabun jududul.
Tullabun jududun. So whom tullabun jududun is their new students. Whom tullabun is their students. Now how do you say they are pilgrims? Whom?
Hujjajun.
Hujjajun. So whom Hujjajun is their
Minal
pilgrims.
Turkiya.
Min Turkiya. Hum Hujjajun. Hum Hujjajun min Turkiya. So Turkiya is like America. It does not have al. Al Hindi, al Asini, China has al, but Turkiya does not have al. So hum Tujjarun min Turkiya. So hum Hujjarun min Turkiya. So Rahil auntie got this answer. Hum Hujjajun min Turkiya. Who else can give this answer? They are pilgrims from Turkey. Man haula in nasu. They are pilgrims from Turkey. So, two people give me this answer and we close, and you can go have lunch. What is this answer, Sadia? How do you say they are pilgrims from Turkey?
Hum
Hum Hujjajun
hum Hujjajun min Turkey.
min Turkiya.
Min Turkey.
Min Turkiya. So Turkey, yeah, like America, this is Turkiya. It has alif at the end. Turkiya. Again, Sadia, full answer.
Hum Hujjajun min Turkey.
Very good. What is the answer, Zahan or Adnan?
Min
Hum Hujjajun
Hujjajun
min Turkiya.
min Turkiya.
Very good. Okay.
Hujjajun min Turkiya.
Again.
Hum Hujjajun min Turkiya.
Very good. Hum Hujjarun min Turkiya. Now, one more person has to give the answer. Zahan or Muniba and
Sakib
then...
Chacha.
Yes, Zahan.
Hum Tujjajun min Turkiya.
Very good. Again.
Hum Tujjajun min Turkiya.
Hujjajun. It is ha.
Hujjajun.
It is Hujjajun. Again.
Hum Tujjajun
No, it is not
min
Hujjajun. It
Turkiya.
is Hujjajun. Ha.
Hujjajun. Okay.
Good. Again.
Hum Hujjajun min Turkiya.
Very good. Hum Hujjajun min Turkiya. Very good. So with that, we will close. And anyone who has questions, stay back. I'll help you with doubts. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. wastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. We'll have a quiz inshallah tomorrow. If you learn fast, if you pick up fast, and if you answer questions, we'll do a quiz tomorrow. So prepare and come. Practice and come. I'll send you the recording of this class. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.
Wa yakum.